So today I want to play with the box and the makeup that's in it. I will start with applying the eyeliner because I want to focus on the eyeliner today. We have this gorgeous black eyeliner and I start by opening it and then I just want to apply it on the lid down to the roots of the lashes, and I go very fast because it can be difficult with a eyeliner that is fluid, but I just fill in here, you can see, and then we have the little wing up there. So that was one eye. Can you see how quick it actually is? If you do it in one stroke, then I take it to the other eye, and it's always a little easier doing it on one eye. I don't know, you have a good side and a bad side, but I just, and then I go up in the corner here, creating a wing. It's so easy, but it gives so much to the eye. And then I can correct it a little bit here. And I just go in with a little mascara, focusing on going from root to top. And also I do a little in the corner here, so the eyes look even more open. Let it just dry, and if you have a little dot here, you can remove it. So that's one layer of mascara. I simply love this eye look with the black eyeliner from the box. It's very easy to use and it gives so much definition to the eyes. Now I want to apply a little contour from the box. I start by taking a little primer on here on my cheeks, just dab it in a little bit. And it's because a contour for a mature skin can be a little dry, so I just put a little of my primer on my cheeks. Yes, and then we can apply the contour. Okay, then I just under my cheekbones do a little like so. And not too much, because I'm a mature woman, so I just want to give a little definition to the face, not doing so much. And then I just take my finger and blend it out upwards, because we want our face lifted, and with the primer it goes so smooth on. Can you see? And to the other one here. Just go upwards on the other cheek here. Voila, there you have it. Then I will go in with a little blush, and I think I will go in with a light one. So maybe it could be one of those two. It could also be this. I actually think I will go with this. I use the brush, put a little on, and just blow it away so there's not so much on the brush. And what I do is I have the contour here a little. I take it up and do like so, and just put it up here a little bit, also to lift the face. Just a little tiny bit. You go upwards, just to give a fresh look and a lifted look. Can you see? It's not much, but very natural. And I like that very much. Voila. And a little on my nose, just a little bit, going from the top and down. That's perfect. To smoothen out my lips, I want to use a little of the Mascara, and it's a lip fix. And it's actually a little beige when you put it on, but it won't be when it's goes into the lips. Very soft, gives very smooth lips and ready for applying makeup. So nice. And it smells a little like coffee. For the last part, and what I love the most, is my lips. I just take it here. And I go up my lips here to the line. You don't need a lip pencil with this. Whoa, can you see? Plumped. This is just gorgeous color. And very creamy.